Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to disable vibration for WhatsApp calls quickly and easily. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time someone calls you on WhatsApp, don't worry, this step-by-step guide will help you turn it off in just a few seconds. First, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. You'll see your chats appear on the main screen. From here, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 small dots stacked vertically. Tap on them to open the menu. Next, select Settings from the list. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control everything about WhatsApp, from privacy options to notifications. Now, find and tap on the Notifications section. This is where you can fine-tune all your alert preferences for messages, groups, and calls. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Calls. Once you're there, look for the option that says Vibrate. Tap on it to open the vibration settings for WhatsApp calls. You'll see a few options, typically default, short, long, and off. To completely disable vibration, choose off. After selecting off, simply tap OK to confirm your choice. That's it. You've successfully turned off vibration for WhatsApp calls. From now on, when someone calls you through WhatsApp, your phone screen will still light up, and you'll hear the ringtone if your sound is enabled, but there will be no vibration. This feature is especially helpful if you're working, studying, or just want a quieter phone experience without completely silencing your device. And don't worry, you can always go back and re-enable vibration whenever you want by following the same quick steps. So, to recap, open WhatsApp, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, choose Notifications, scroll down to the Calls section, tap Vibrate, select Off, and confirm by tapping OK. Now you can enjoy peaceful, non-vibrating WhatsApp calls.